Green Filing now offers service of process in select courts and states. Add process serving to any court filing, available on our intuitive single-screen solution. But how does it work? Initiate a new case and scroll down to the Service of Process section. To request service of process, select the checkbox next to the word Yes. Next, add the relevant service recipients and any information that will assist the process server in executing service successfully. No need to worry about delivery locations. Our national network of professional process servers delivers to all 50 U.S. states and the District of Columbia. Finally, review and submit your order. That's it. Green Filing will handle the rest. Your peace of mind is extremely important to us, and that's why we send email and in-app notifications, updates, and notes for every delivery attempt until the service is complete. Have more questions about service of process? We have answers. Check out our detailed help articles on support.greenfiling.com or click the live chat button located at the bottom right of your screen. Expedite your legal processes with Green Filing today.